Hello everybody, this is Storm 101 here. Today we'll be looking at the U.S. forecast and along with severe weather with Hurricane Lane all in one video. So yeah, let's get started with what's going on right now. We got scattered showers and thunderstorms stretching from Minnesota, going all the way down through the Plains area to the Marcellus Lake area, where there is a tornado watch issued there in about the slight risk area. We also got some developing in Texas, along in Dixie Alley, all the way up into Virginia and down to Florida. So yeah, let's look closely at who the tornado watch is for. So this is till 9 o'clock Central Time. This is going to be for parts of Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and the county of Kansas. So this was issued at 4:09 Central Time, and it's going to end at 9 o'clock. So yeah. Now, wrong thing. Here we go. Let's back it up. We'll start with day one. Day one, we got a slight risk for Arkansas, Missouri, and a little bit of Oklahoma and a little bit of Kansas. So the tornado threat, mainly for those four states. Wind, that's exactly where the slight risk area is in. Now the hail is not there, but it is over here in northeastern New Mexico. They got no other threat except for hail. So they got a chance of small hail, while this area does not have the ingredients to make some hail. Now if we go back here, the main threats right in that area is for damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and maybe we'll get a little localized flooding with torrential rainfall. Now, if we look at the storm reports, look at here. We got 2 tornado reports. So 2 tornadoes so far today. We got one in Oklahoma along with a hail report. Actually, 2 hail reports in that. There's another tornado report in southern Missouri, while there's wind and hail report in Virginia. So now we're going to look at the next day, which that's tomorrow, day 2. There is a slight risk for severe weather stretching from Illinois, Indiana, on down through Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and northeastern Arkansas. Now the main threats here is probably most likely going to be damaging winds. We might get a little hail in there and isolated tornadoes. It's possible. There's also another area of marginal risk up in the northwest for Idaho, Wyoming, and Montana. So we're going to watch that. So we go to day 3, which is Tuesday. Slight risk again. This time it's going to be for a part of Ohio, Pennsylvania, a little bit of New York State, and a little bit for Maryland and northern Virginia. Like I said, main threats is going to be damaging winds, maybe a little hail, maybe an isolated tornado. There's also a marginal risk for Colorado and Kansas. So we're going to watch up there, because it seems like it'll be a similar day for tomorrow and probably today as well. So let's look at what's going to be going on for this week. So today is August 20th, and we got a low pressure system. You got scattered showers going on for tomorrow across the eastern half of the United States. Maybe a thunderstorm or 2. Now this model is not really good at pinpointing where storms are going to be. the best chance, but the best models you will see that's like an AM and the Huron models. We'll check that in a little bit. And it moves off. And another well pressure system may bring a weak cold front. May get a chance of severe weather right up here in Minnesota. We're going to have to watch that closely. But that's August 27th. Alrighty, now it's time to look at Hurricane Lane. Hurricane Lane, right now, it is Category 3 with winds 125 miles per hour. Models have been predicting that it may a direct hit to this island. Right there. But I'll show you that in a little bit. If I go to... Where is this stuff? Data tools? I don't know where that stuff is. Interesting. I don't see the tools or anything to show you its track. I'm trying to look for it here. Where is it? I don't know. But yeah. Alright, let's look at the GFS model. Let's back this up to 6 hours. Alright. Now, by the look of it, there's a lot of rain in the backside. It's all the way into the pink. So that's a good amount of rain going on. That kind of continues on. It's forecasted to die down as it gets closer. As you can see here, it moves more to the south. I think at this point this is a Category 1 strength for right now. Then makes a U-turn right up that way. Look at all that rain. That is tropical storm strength right there. And now that's a tropical depression. Since it made landfall, that's going to be a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain that's going to happen to that storm system. If we take a look, we don't have rain totals. Come on, man. Cannot find anything today. Here. I think I know one. Windy. We'll look at the European model as well. Please scoot on over to Hawaii, around here. There you go. Let's see here. Okay. Can I zoom in? This is how well I can do. So we'll look at the European bottom. So we're going to let the time run. This could be a bad idea, but we'll see. As you can see here, it moves to the west. Moving a little bit slow for the European model. Right now, that is Tuesday. 7 p.m., 6 p.m. This here does have issues when it plays, so yeah. Now this is the only side I could find with the European model. Now it starts to turn more to the north, but on this model, it takes out a different direction. It moves away. It goes northwest. Wherever the GFS, however, takes it that way. But another difference with the European model is it's still a pretty nice and organized system as it gets closer. Now, if we look at let's look at the rain totals first. Rain and thunder, rain accumulation. As you can see here, there's the track. there, 5 inches. That's a pretty good amount of rain. 7 inches. And if we go to the next 5 days, takes up more to the north, 6 inches in the next 10 days. Now, Hawaii does get affected by some rain for this system as well, so we're going to watch it. If we go back here in the United States with rain totals from this, next 10 days, most of the rain looks to be for Iowa. Yeah, 5 inches, and I just clicked something wrong. And yeah, yeah, GFS 22K. Let's go back out this way. Yeah, see? Takes you out that way. Yeah, look at that. A little over a feet of rain. I was about to say snow. Wow, look at that. 16 inches out. Out that way. So you say the highest total I see on the island is that much right there. Now, I don't know if the NAM goes out that far. 10 days. Yeah, here's the NAM on it. It takes out... No. What? Oh, here we go. Next 3 days. Does it go... Seems like it's not working or it's just not updated. There we go. Yeah, it don't go out that far, but it does make that little turn there. We're going to watch that closely. And if we go to rain and thunder, we could take a look at the European model on here. Now this is a pretty handy tool to use. We'll go back to 7 p.m. As you can see here, it does show a thunderstorm cluster there, but right now most thunderstorm activity seems to be more to the south of that. We'll take 12 p.m. on Monday. There's your cold front there. Seems like it's going to be a little bit in the morning kind of front, a little bit. Probably. Then it's more scatter activity. Then you get another line that tries to form. And then 7 a.m. on Tuesday, we do have scattered showers of thunderstorms on along the cold front, and that's passing through Kentucky. 3 p.m. on Tuesday, that moves out. Cold front passes Kentucky, Ohio Valley. And if we go to 11 o'clock p.m. on Tuesday, scattered showers of thunderstorms. Few strong severe thunderstorms possible. Pretty much wherever it's like red, purple, or white, that just shows a severe thunderstorm. Now another thing about this thing is thunderstorm. I think that kind of shows the composite, or maybe thunderstorm composite. I don't know. I think it kind of shows you where you got the best chance with a thunderstorm. Yeah. See, I don't know what this means. Y'all might know. Now, this is a little off topic, but well, that's surprising. Look it up. It's a little blurry. I don't know if y'all guys can see it, but I can see a little blue dot of snow for this is actually the next 3 days. Yeah, look at that. Maybe get the first snow accumulation, maybe. Oh. Yeah, there you go. 0.6 inches of snow. That is on the European model. So that's the next 3 days. That is crazy. What about the next 5 days? Do we see any new snow? Oh, yes, we do. In Wyoming. If we move that around a little bit. 0.5 there. There's another area more to the north. Yeah, 0.3. What about the next 10 days? Ooh. I'm sorry for the background noise. That's just my dad mowing my yard, our yard. We have actually got more scattered snow. Look. We actually got some in California. Wow. an inch, over an inch. Oh, that's cool. There's 2 spots in Oregon. There's a couple spots in Iowa. I'm in Idaho. A little bit in Washington. So we make it a system in the mountain area that could break some snow in the next 10 days or so. See up here, Alberto, 8 inches possible. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all guys for today. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like and comment what y'all think about the video. If y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, that could help a lot. And the more people that subscribe, the more videos I can make. If my video's dying, then I probably won't make videos anymore. So that's kind of how it goes with most YouTube channels. If you get, the more subscribers you get, the more videos y'all can get. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And, oh yeah. By the way, the next video will probably be put out tomorrow. And it's something y'all probably would not expect. And it's a train video. Now, if y'all didn't know, on my earlier time on my YouTube channel, I do train videos as well. But I'll probably make a video discussion of what y'all want to see more of. Like, do you want to see trains? But just putting it out there, if anybody watching this video like trains, y'all can check it out. And I'll see y'all, I guess, tomorrow. Goodbye.